Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama jumping into one of my customers' houses. This is going to ship next week, going to Heather and Dan's. They built this for their daughter Allison, and it turned out really great. We didn't do a whole lot of upgrades, but I love the traditional colors that they used. This is the Ockley home. It's a 16 by 66, about 1,000 square feet. Let's check it out. We've got washer dryer cabinets here. And I'm coming in the back door actually, so you're coming into the utility area and then coming right into a dining room. So you've heard me talk about this many times, that it's rare to find a single wide floor plan that is going to have a dining room. This is one of those. We've got a galley kitchen, so all of the kitchen appliances up against the wall. We did quartz white Formica is the material on the countertop. We did a Timberwolf cabinet. They added a package in here, so you're going to notice that this cabinets are actual hardwood, and the best way to tell is you can see right here, these are real wood pieces instead of the other alternative would be a wrapped cabinet. What I love the most about this Ockley floor plan is this bar right here with the uppers and the lowers. That is a standard feature of the home. Nordic white on the floor. We did a laminate backsplash. That's part of that package. Another great part of that package is the cove over the windows. I just think that gives it a nice classy look. Also, you've got a white wrapped profile trim. So the standard trim is just a flat piece of Luan like trim, but in this package, you get the nice molded trim. Coming into the living room, there's the front door. And added a ceiling fan. Like I said, this customer kept it very simple. Let's head back towards bedrooms 2 and 3. Bedroom 2. Bath 2, and a guest bath. Bedroom 3. Nice and quiet around here. We're getting ready to go on our 4th of July shutdown. Champion is really, really good to us. And by the way, guys, I am a salesperson at Champion Homes. So if you're looking for a home, make sure you call the phone number in my description. And if you end up calling the 800 line, make sure you ask for the Mobile Home Mama so that I can help you personally. Here is the primary bedroom closet. Sometimes people call in and don't realize that I'm a salesperson. So I do these YouTube videos, but the main thing that I do is design and build homes. That's what I love to do. Here's the primary bath. 3 bulb light strips, that's a standard feature. And this customer just kept the tub shower combination. It's a little dark in here today. You can see out the window right up against another home. And then a little rainy here. So there you have it. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 16 by 66 Ockley. Give me a call at my direct line, 260-383-1009. If you mention the Mobile Home Mama when you call, you'll get me directly. And also, if you buy a home for me, I'll throw in a Walmart gift card. Thanks for watching and have a great 4th of July.